All right, number 2, we're going to test the null mean equals 40 versus alternative less than 40, random sample size n 26 obtained from a population that is known to be normally distributed. I'm going to complete parts 1 through 4. So first we're going to find the test statistic. So we're going to do StatCrunch. We're going to do the T statistic with summary. Sample mean was given to be 37.5. Sample standard deviation was given to be 11.1. And the sample size is 26. And we can use this because we're told the population was known to be normal. Otherwise, the 26 would not be large enough. We would have to confirm by other methods. So once we know this, mean is equal to 40 versus less than. So I got to put this to be less than. And we want the test statistics. I'm going to say show critical value at, what was the level? Well, they didn't ask for the level of significance yet. But this will still compute the test statistic, and we'll just leave it at 0.05 for right now. So I really don't need that critical value. So this gives me the t-stat. The t-stat is negative 1.15 when rounded to 2 decimal places. Well, they want 3. Negative 1.148. Negative 1.148. If the researcher decides to test the hypothesis at alpha equals 0.05 level of significance, determine the critical value. So I'm just going to do options. I'm going to edit. I'm going to say show critical value. They want alpha at 0.05, so we'll compute now. And then this gives me the critical value. So the critical value is 3 decimal places, negative 1.708. All right. And then we're going to draw the t-distribution. So this is a left tail test, so we want the left side. And then will the researcher reject the null? So here's what we're looking at. Looking at the critical value. So our critical value is negative 1.7. Our test statistic was larger than that, closer to 0 on the positive side. It was negative 1.1. This is the rejection region. This T, our test statistic, did not fall in the rejection region, so we do not reject. So we do not reject. So will the researcher reject the null? No. Test statistic does not fall in the critical region.